Hello viewers, welcome to Excel formula video series. In this video I will show you how you can convert all the letters into capital letters. So here you can see it's already in capital letters, and here there is all small letters, and there is small and capital letters, and here as well. So now I will show you a use of function. It's called the upper function. So we can convert all these letter into capital letters by using the upper function. So let's do it. So for this we have to write the equal operator and then type upper. So you can see here is the function name upper, and now select the cell that you want to convert into capital letters, and then close the bracket and then press enter. So you can see there is a auto suggestion, so I will not do it here. So what you can do, just select here and copy the rules in this way. So you can see all the letters converted into uppercase, the capital letters. So in the same way you can do here. So you can see here is that text combining capital and small letters. So you can do it the same way, write the upper function. So there is no problem if you write the all capital letters here upper or all small letters here. So in the formula case it's not a problem. So then select the cell, then press enter. So you can see here all the text in this cell converted into the capital letters. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video tutorial.